Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Palindrome.
What does the dictionary say?
A word, line, verse, number, sentence, etc., reading the same backward as forward.
Math rap.
Like race car or level words, the same spelled backwards. This phenomenon goes on in more than just words. 26862 in math can be found. Palindrome numbers are the same order both ways around.
Math rap.
What do you call a friend visiting the capital of Italy? A palindrome. Explain palindromes in your own words. Make a list of 5 palindrome words. Write down 10 different number palindromes. Now write all 10 of those palindromes in reverse or backwards order. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!